Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, the subjunctive mood. It's a bit tricky, but with a little practice, you'll master it in no time. In English, the subjunctive mood is used to explore conditional or imaginary situations. It's not as common as other moods, but it's crucial for certain expressions. The subjunctive is mainly used in three situations. A. To introduce conditionals that are contrary to fact. B. To express wishes. C. To express demands and suggestions. Let's break these down one by one. First, let's look at conditionals that are contrary to fact. This is when we talk about situations that aren't real. For example, if I were you, I would never believe him. Notice the use of were instead of was. This is a classic sign of the subjunctive mood. Even though it might sound a bit formal or old-fashioned, it's the correct usage. Next, we use the subjunctive to express wishes. Imagine you're longing for something that isn't happening right now. You might say, "I wish I were by your side." Again, were is used instead of was to indicate the subjunctive mood. Now let's talk about expressing demands and suggestions. This is the most frequently tested function of the subjunctive mood. Here we use specific verbs and the word that to introduce the subjunctive clause. Some of the key verbs include require, request, recommend, insist, demand, order, suggest, propose, advocate, and mandate. For example, Nick demanded that everybody be silent. Notice how be is used as a bare infinitive without to. This is crucial in the subjunctive mood. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify our understanding. His mother insisted that Tom leave the room. The teacher recommended that she study harder. The manager suggested that the meeting be postponed. In each of these sentences, the verb in the second clause is in the form of a bare infinitive. This structure is a hallmark of the subjunctive mood when expressing demands or suggestions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more English language tips.